Hi, thanks for stopping by and checking out one of our videos. Real quick, you can find much more training for a low price at softwarevideo.com. We've been training people since 1994. We have online memberships for as low as a startup fee is 99 cents for 7 days or just $14.95 per month for unlimited training and access 24/7. Or you can buy it on DVDs. You can see what our new releases are. You can find us by software title, by subject, by vendor. And up here at the top through our film strip, you can go by our little characters here, graphic design, illustrator, and so forth. I'm going to scroll down here. Here's our memberships. Very affordable. They make great gifts. So check it out and enjoy this free lesson on this topic.
Understanding your 3D space is another very important aspect of working in any type of 3D program. What we're used to usually working with is that are in a 2D flat view. So something, let's say if you're an artist and we do traditional sketching, you can only draw an object on a flat 2D surface. But here in 3D, we're allowed to view object in a 3D world space, almost in what we physically see in our everyday life. When you're looking at an object in real life, you don't just see a flat surface. You can see the edge, or you can see the object in a depth perspective. So that's actually where our Z perspective comes in. So if I switch to, let's say, an XY axis, that's usually how we may graph points or use some type of a graph, what we might have learned in some of our grammar school education. You only learn about the X and the Y axis. And anything to the right side of our main cross here is a positive attribute on the X axis, and anything to the left is negative. So also, as I'm moving my cursor around, you'll notice in this small box here, it lets me know at what point or what degree I'm at in each axis. So currently in my x-axis, I'm at a negative 20 feet 4 inches. So, and the same holds true for my y. Anything below this x line here will show on the bottom here. But you'll notice the z is blank, simply because I'm looking at a flat surface. But if I go ahead and switch back to my perspective, you can see that I can move around in my Z perspective. Or actually, I'll go ahead and switch to a left viewport. That way I'm able to see my Z and Y axis. So Z looks like it was in the same axis as the X, but I'm just looking at a different angle here. So I'll go ahead and switch. Let's see. Go ahead and show all of my viewports here. My interface here. And I'll go ahead and let's see, I'll use my 3 top and 1 bottom here. So I have my Z, which is my depth. I'm able to look forward and back. But this is how we normally see things on, let's say, something like paper. You can only see 2 things on 2D flat surfaces. So, and also another way you may want to navigate around your scene is holding down the Alt key. Go ahead and switch this back. And you can hold down your left mouse button. So if I do that, I'm able to orient around my grid. I also have these buttons here, which we kind of briefly went over a little bit earlier, but this is basically my tracking or panning view. I can only move left, right, or up and down. I have my rotate. If I hold down the icon, I can rotate. And of course, there is zoom. So this is how you can navigate around your 3D space.